ሰላም ሰላም ጋይዝ ዛሬ ደግሞ አይሾ ስፒድ ኢትዮጵያውያኖችን ሊቭ ላይ ሲያገኛቸው ምን ነበር እያላችሁ የነበረው የሚለውን አብረን ሪአክት እናደርግበታለን። ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ
በስመ አብ
ማን አላለችም? ክሪስቲያኖ ሮናልዶ ስፒድ ስፒድ አላወቀችውም፣ አውቃ ነው። አያበሻ በስመ አብ ማነ ንገራታ ማኔ ነው ተናገሪ። ላይት አታበራም እንደ ፊቷን እንኳን እንድናየው እንግሊዝኛ ትችላለች እኮ። ክርስቲያኖ ሮናልዶ ትችላለች እኮ እንግሊዝኛ። እያለመጠች ነው እንዴ? ምንድን ነው?
Shit. Do I know Ethiopian? Fuck, I don't know Ethiopian.
I'm just kidding.
Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? So this whole time, you could speak English. And you
Not
really like, what the fuck
nah,
is
dude.
Are you serious, ma'am?
Are you serious?
Are you fucking serious?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? እያለች ነው።
Should be a damn thing to yourself.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Fuck you,
What?
bitch. Fuck is wrong with you?
ድሬብስማ
እነዚህ ጥቁሮች
እነኝህ ጥቁሮች እያበዱ ነው።
Sadio Mane.
እነኝህ ጥቁሮች እያበዱ ነው። ሳዲዮ ማን? ፌርሚኒዮ ነው።
Ghana. Hold on, wait, how old are you?
16.
Oh, no, sucks.
Where you from?
The US.
US ሆና ሙድ
I'm from the US too. What part of the US you from?
Phoenix, Arizona.
Good, cause I'm glad you told me that so I can stay. Good, cause I'm glad you told me that so I can stay away from there. Peace out.
Peace out. Speed ይላል. Craziest man.
What the fuck is you looking at?
ያው አበሻ ሲያለም ጥቆ የኛ ህዝብ ኧረ ታምራለች። ጥርሷ ደስ ይላል ስስቅ።
What?
Are you Speed?
Yup. Why you look like Chunks if he was a girl? You must be Somalian.
I am Ethiopian.
What?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopian.
You're idiot. Oh, you're Ethiopian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. You look kind of thick though. Are you thick? Proof?
No.
አሳዩ ግደላቸው። እንደ እኛ ራሱ ለፍተን ነው ስፒድ።
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's me.
እሱ ነው እመኝ።
Yeah.
Hey, look, though, what you doing right now?
It's just midnight here. I can't sleep. So.
It's midnight. Where's Ethiopia at? It's like where that's at, like by like Germany.
East Africa.
ኢትዮጵያ አውሮፓ ነው እንደ
That's why
ይመስላቸው።
you look like Chunks, bro. That's why you look like Chunks. How far is Ethiopia and Somalia?
ሶማሌን ያውቋታል በብዛት።
Actually,
Yeah, we neighbors.
we are neighbors.
I told you, we kind of look alike though. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, look though. Can I get the outfit of the day?
outfit ምን ለማየት
Outfit of the day. Can I tell you something?
አታሳይም።
You got on right now?
No.
ነው ምን አወጣች?
Where you from? Ethiopia? That's Somalia, right?
No, Somalia is different country. Ethiopia.
I said the picture. Told my brother. For what?
We're gonna go out now. Never heard of it.
Ethiopia? Yeah, that's where. Yeah, my friend Chunks from there. Somalia.
Somalia.
Yeah.
It's next to Ethiopia.
Oh, it's the same. Oh, next.
Next.
Ethiopia.
Like
It's in
South
Africa.
America.
East Africa. East Africa.
Africa, yeah.
Yeah.
Speak over there.
Amharic.
I'm Arabic.
No, Amharic.
I'm Hadith. I don't know about that.
Danane.
Danana.
It means how are you?
Danana.
So, woman, Dananesh.
Dananish.
Dananesh.
In no shalom.
Or Dishabi.
Does he speak it? You speak Ethiopian? Let's see what you got, bro. Let me go. What did he say? Anjan I.
You say you are beautiful.
I'm beautiful? Thank you, bro.
ብላል።
You like my song? What song you know? Silly.
ስዊ
Silly.
ስዊ ስዊ ስፒድ
Where I'm from? Where I'm from in America? No, I'm originally from Portugal. Yeah.
But you live in United States.
Uh-huh.
Where?
Ohio.
ሚያሚ
It goes down
ኦሃዮ
in Ohio. I be seeing alligators on the floor, lions, and yeah, it's just crazy.
ስፒድ እኮ ሲያለምጥም ሲሪየስ ሲሆንም አታውቀው።
Mike King Elizabeth. It was crazy.
Win last vote in Ohio, I think.
Uh-huh.
Back in West, long time ago.
What?
Donald Trump.
Donata. Silly. You know, okay. All right. All right, so it's. She was a dub. Jabra.
ብዙ አፍሪኮችን አግኝቷል። ጃብር እብድ ከሆነ ሶስት አበሻ ናቸው። ሰላም አላሉ። ብራዚል
What?
ድምጻቸው አይሰማም።
What does Jabra mean?
Bro, I can't believe it.
What you doing right now?
I'm just. I was.
ሀያ ጀለስ ታውቀዋለች። ይኸውል ሼክ አድርገው
I'm not from Somalia.
I
ቻንክስ
know, but I'm just saying you look like Chunks a little bit.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do, bro. All right, that's all cool though, bro.
Okay.
Where you from?
ኢትዮ
Eritrea.
ኤርትሪያ
Yeah. Eritrea.
No, what country you from?
Yeah, Eritrea.
Country.
Yeah, I know.
Say it again.
Let me just text you it.
Eritrea.
This.
That's not a country, dude.
Yes, it is.
I've never, bro. That country was,
Search it up.
that country was never in the World Cup, bro.
No, I know because it's not that famous.
Oh, it's a small country.
small country look the country
Where's that?
It's a neighbor with Somalia.
no neighbor yeah
Explains a lot. Why you look like Chunks?
ኢትዮጵያ ይቀራረባል እኮ ሶማሌ ጋር ኤርትራ አይቀራረቡ።
Have a nice day.
እንግዲህ ጋይዝ ስፒድ ከኢትዮጵያውያኖች ጋር የነበረውን ቪዲዮ አብረን አይተናል። እዚህ ሲመጣ ደግሞ ወታችሁ ስፔድ በሉ። ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ መሳለም